rushing rivers, waterfalls, and rugged mountains. It is quite unfortunate that the country breathtaking beauty suffers at the hands of its own people. It is about time we change our mindset as a nation. We have to plant more and more trees. Protecting our environment is not a choice, it's a necessity. Our environment faces the problems of pollution, high temperature, floods, etc. There are less oxygen or fresh air. In the return, more diseases are occurring. Lives are in danger. Please do not cut trees and plant more and more to save our lives